Here we go. And this one's destined to be a human demolition derby. And to the millions of coal miners that are tuning in right now, I'll do my best to keep the King's commentary unbiased, but I can't make any promises.
Yeah, and I'll do my best to try to not punch you in the face, but I won't make any promises either. Oh, what a smack.
And there's the elbow.
Man, that one rocked him. The natural might know every counter to every move.
He gets out of trouble there.
Did you hear how his leg connected?
That's not good. Oh, what an elbow drop. Nice reversal.
The natural might know every counter to every move. Oh, man, that knee looked painful.
This will be a physical battle. Got the arm up.
Uh-oh. He's putting those educated feet to good use.
Kick to the midsection.
Oh, and he got dropped. Look out! Headbutt! Great reversal. Did you hear how his leg connected? A textbook reversal. Can he follow up? And the hardcore icon answers back. Misjudged that.
Rolling out of harm's way. Smart strategy there.
Oh! Ow! Oh! How do you do that? Oh! Oh, man! A big-time... Watch it! He whipped that one. And there's the reversal. There's going to be a lot of offense in this match. Oh, my gosh! Big-time impact. Oh, wait. Nice reversal. Rake across the eyes. The natural might know every counter to every move. That elbow did some damage.
Big kick echoing around the arena. Look past the ring at the thousands and thousands of WWE fans in attendance. Each and every one of them are having a great time tonight.
Oh, man, that could be a knockout.
The big boot connects.
There's going to be a lot of offense in this match. Incredible counter.
And that was a huge counter. He's setting up.
Oh, nice counter.
And again, the mind games are played.
A fever pitch is here in the WWE Universe. Watch out here.
The tension, the drama. This is electric. Look out. And he gets out of the way.
Man, this is one of those matches you... Whoa, whoa!
Oh, back to the hip. Books the way.
Neck from that German suplex.
He has just been punished in this one. Uh-oh.
This has been a war.
Nice reversal.
He's in a world of trouble. Much more of this, and I doubt he'll be able to continue. And the hardcore icon answers back.
Piston fire from the hardcore one.
Oh, after that, you're not seeing stars. You're looking at constellations.
You can see the wear and tear that this fight has taken out of these men. Ah, that kick's about as physical as they come. Oh, wow. And again, the mind games are played.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other.
We got to cover.
He hasn't done nearly enough to get the pin yet. I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next.
Oh, don't do this.
There's a cover.
And he gets the shoulder up.
Oh, what a painful kick. And did you hear the impact on that kick? Nice reversal there. Boy, did he get dropped or what?
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other.
Oh, what's he got in mind? Look out!
Oh, did you see that? His body twisting and turning in a sickening way.
He's really been zeroed in on, but he's still showing some signs of life.
I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next.
Just trying to goad his opponent into making a mistake here.
And that's a shot that could drop a grizzly. And that, will it be? Hey now! And down he goes.
At what point, King, do those thoughts creep in of, what do I have to do to put this match to rest?
And I don't know. I don't know as a WWE superstar if you ever have those thoughts of self-doubt. Oh, reversal. Oh.
And he reversed it.
Good move there. Boy, this has just been pandemonium. Big power bomb.
Whoa, look at that impact.
He's got him. Oh, geez. He almost had his head taken off for that one. How much punishment can the hardcore icon take?
A near collision. That was a ton of velocity.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other.
He was able to reverse that. Oh, no. Massive damage done there.
I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical.
He's enjoying this.
A stiff shot with the elbow. A sharp kick. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, man. I thought he might have been knocked out right there. We got a cover.
2-2. The natural with the advantage after that exchange. Point down.
There's a cover.
And there's the kick out.
I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next.
He's got him up.
just one kick there, but a combination of blows. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. And here's a couple. Two. And the boot connects with the abdomen.
What's he going to do here? What's he going to do here? No, he's in position, ready to strike. Not this. Oh, mama. We got a cover.
And he kicks out. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. These athletes seem to have tried everything in their playbook.
Oh, there's more in their arsenal. I promise you that. I don't know what it is, but they'll find it. Wow, that might have broken his jaw. Oh, he's in trouble now. Not this.
He's looking at it again. What incredible impact. His shoulders are down.